This 2024 Forest River Vibe 22RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features a bourbon interior, sleeps 2, water heater, microwave, oven, TV, spare tire kit, LP detector, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, air conditioning, skylight, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Vibe 22RK is 5,898 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.